nasasaksihan ng ating mga kabataan ngayon. Mahirap nang ihanda ang kanilang magandang kinabukasan. Matinding paghubog at paghahanda ang kailangan upang ang ating mga kabataang lalaki ay maggabayat sa tamang daan tungo sa magandang kinabukasan. Spiritual formation. Mahalaga ang formation ng ating pananampalataya.
Always we pray, prayer, and then of course scholarship. So we develop good study habits. So we were trained well academically, academic rigor, then service. But everything we do ultimately will be for service.
Halos every week, meron tayong examination of conscience, paggabi bago matulog. Pag Sunday naman, meron tayo yung meditation, reflections.
At the Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, education goes deeper. So whether you become a priest or not, you are expected to become men of faith, character, discipline, and mission. It's not just about preparing your kids for college. It's about preparing them for life, and most importantly, preparing them for service. Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, it's a formation community for leadership and for mission.
Holy Rosary Seminary, 2 siglo na naghahanda at naghuhubog ng mga kabataang lalaki tungo sa magandang kinabukasan.
Ito po si Archbishop Rex. Inaanyayahan kayo sa pagtuklas ng bukasyon, panawagan ng Panginoon. Baka tinatawag kayo na maglingkod bilang parik. Maglingkod sa simbahan, sa community, sa mga nangangailangan. Tara na, and let us discern kung ano ang panawagan sa atin.
Holy Rosary Seminary, forming servant leaders since 1785.